What up, y'all? There she is. All right. Sound like an old ass man. This is my dad. What up, fam? It's gonna be pretty quick, interesting, different video. Today I'm going to have my friend ride my 1998 Honda CBR F600 F3. He just bought a Yamaha R3, so he's actually picking up tomorrow. I might be going to pick it up and ride it back for him, hopefully. That would be cool content. But yeah, we're gonna go real close by. It's like a 2-minute ride, not even. A parking lot very close to my house, to his house, in which he will be riding. This won't be the first time he sat on my bike, played, found the friction zone. So, Subies, Subi Granny. Shout out to Boston WRX, my homie. Ooh, what do we got here? KTM. Nice. Love those. Yeah, so here we go. I'm actually looking forward to my homie getting a bike. I have a handful of friends. Just kidding. I don't have a handful of friends who have bikes. I have barely any friends whatsoever. And that has always been frustrating for me because who do I ride with? Absolutely nobody. So definitely looking forward to them getting into bikes and, sharing my insight. We've already been talking about gear, giving my opinion on things. And I have another friend mentioning now that he wants to get one. We'll see if he actually does. Well, that's the thing. It's a domino effect. Once they say the two of us, the rest want to follow suit. And that's cool with me. It's totally cool with me. Hey, there he is coming down. He's all in dress clothes. You'll see him in a second. But yeah, once my friends start doing it, who knows what we'll be able to do. Get a little group going on. Maybe get a little Senna action. Communicators. So we can talk and ride and have fun together. This here is the training ground. Look at that strip. No, Gabriel. I want to try to pop a little wheelie before he gets here. He's gonna come mad excited. Turn this bad boy off so he can run through the motions. He's getting a nice fancy 2018. So he's gonna ride a bike that's 20 years older. Let's see what he's got to say. He's got his gloves. My man. We did it. Say what's up to the fam.
What's up, fans?
You're gonna be wearing this helmet and...
Oh no.
You got Joe Rocket?
Is that what I got?
Yeah. It's good quality, good price.
Yeah. I wanted something that was nice.
How much you pay?
Soft, $50, $40.
Did they tell you what season this is? Summer. It looks like a summer.
Yeah, I was gonna grab the winter one, but kind of heavy. They had all season ones too, but I didn't want to. I was just trying to spend that gift card they got. So.
What else do you get? That's it, just.
Just.
You got.
So what am I supposed to do?
Belt. So you go through both.
Where's the other one?
So that tab is. Look in the mirror.
I feel like a blind person.
Look in the mirror. You probably can't see.
No, hold on. I have one right here.
Two.
Where's the second one? Right here?
That red tab is the second one. So here, you're holding both. You're gonna go through both.
Can you do it for me first time?
No, you gotta do it. Go through both. One. Oh my god. Hold both. Pinch. You feel? Two. There's two.
You know what? Let me look at what exactly I'm looking at.
Okay. Whatever. Two.
Oh yeah. Okay. Cool.
Two. Through both.
Yep.
Open.
Open what? Okay. Yep.
Open.
Yep. Back to the first.
Strapped.
Oh, word, yeah. Easy peasy. So I could never learn Braille.
Get your clothes on. Does the job.
Yeah, I was like, what doesn't burn my hands?
No. Remember, this is the carbureted bike, so you got a couple.
I'm so happy mine's fuel injected. Oh, dude, I forgot because I was taking that bike on and off. Kill switch?
Yep. It's not a car.
Oh. Hilarious. Cool beans. Oh shit. Is it up? Okay. Pulling the clutch. Nope, that's second. Now I'm in first. Right? Is this the peg that I'm on?
Your toe is on the gear, but your
so it should be underneath it. I know your toes shouldn't be pointed down. Well, I'm gonna walk it first anyway.
Yeah.
What's that? Yeah, just learning right now. What's that?
It's a lot harder to go slow.
Oh, of course. Thank you. Oi. What? I want to get my feet both up.
Get off the ground?
Just put my feet on the pegs. I want to feel the pegs. Okay.
Like you need to be moving now.
Yeah.
Balance.
I know. I noticed that. So you're saying with the R3 it's going to be a lot lighter to turn and stuff? I'm pretty sure the weight is the same as an R1. That's what I was reading about an R3. You got skeet on your shirt.
This?
Yeah.
Balsamic vinegar. Shit's been like overheated. Your bike is 100 pounds lighter.
Oh, that's a lot. I'm trying to figure out where your bike grabs.
Like the gas?
The engine grabs the. That's what they called it in the video. I forget. That's where my knowledge is not there. Gabe, so I haven't used this brake yet. Yeah. How do I use it?
Same as the front brake. You're not moving enough though.
Okay, but it's like, is this where my foot should be positioned?
It's hard to explain.
Okay, thanks, teacher.
No, if I sit down I can tell you.
So like right here?
But comfortable, get comfortable.
It's hard to get comfortable. You need like, you know, a nice 500 yards. How are we gonna practice tomorrow when this is our lot? I was thinking about it the other day. It was like bringing your bike to practice, and it's like, why the fuck do I bring my bike to practice? Yeah.
Here is easy. I think this is more than enough for practice. If anything, we can start using them more.
Right.
Getting comfortable riding around.
Doing figure eights.
Come here, we can walk up and I can write it down.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be good. Yo, that permit test was a joke. It was a joke. Literally, I had 4 questions about alcohol. Yeah. Like, yeah, never drink. Ever. I got them all right, 18. Yeah, and here I am. What's up, bro? What's up, dude? How you doing, dude?
What's your alpha this one on? Oh shit, you got the GoPro on?
Yeah, it's Gabe's. Gabe's to, you know. So, I'm trying to figure out the grab here, and it's... just can't figure out the...
You're like between gears.
Right now?
I don't want the battery to die. Go neutral, find neutral. Put your key.
Yeah, Jeff, don't tell anyone, but I'm next.
Yeah,
No, what's happening? Let me see.
My mom said she saw you.
yeah, I talked to her. Is it on the kickstand? Yeah, Gabe, you know, I'm making sure nothing happens to her. Is there gas in it? No, dude!
It just died out of nowhere. It's full.
How's Jeff doing?
Huh?
Dude, that kid just broke his neck for your car. What's that? That little boy. Yeah, that little boy's still looking at your car, bro.
I need you guys to push.
Okay.
Put the thing on the ground.
Yo, I've been in this car for 3 hours. I'm gonna go take a piss.
Why?
Because I went to take pictures.
You're rolling fast. Faster. It almost
How did you do this by yourself?
up my hill. On myself. Up a hill. Y'all are pushing down. I need speed. I need
One person.
You're so funny.
That was back close. Try again.
Alright, I'm gonna try it first this time. I'm doing it in second. Faster. You guys are too
Oh, man. Yeah, you look a lot like Pete, bro. Yo, turn this GoPro.
Isn't this vlog supposed to be about why you should have it?
You know, not everything in life is perfect, and not everything in life is gonna work out that great. Yeah, sometimes you try to teach your friend how to ride a bike, and he stalls it. Nah, it's not his fault, but you know, sometimes this kind of stuff happens having an old bike. So, hey, it's back to normal. Yeah. So what's happening tomorrow?
I'm naming my bike.
The Ardeen. No. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. The bike dies by itself. I gotta hurry home. Thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. Okay, so maybe it's not that great having an old bike. Maybe just maybe you're better off not being rushed to get home because the bike decides to die on you. Maybe, just maybe, I can't even count the number of times that has happened to me. Maybe, just maybe. Oh boy. I'm so scared of this thing dying again. I really am scared this thing's gonna die again. My bad for the silence, it's just that I am really nervous about having this thing die on me. Huh? No, I'm gonna go home. This is gonna be funny. This is gonna be a funny video.
Alright guys,
Stay tuned for
just remember,
stay tuned for
make this season yours.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Stay tuned for part 2. No. Well, part 2 is gonna be a good time, not a bad time.
Yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow.
Add to the international.
So, I guess what it comes down to is if you're prepared to handle situations such as one, as you just saw. So should you get an old bike, man, the choice is up to you. Good luck out there.